Hello everyone and welcome to our Huawei Network Practice Lab course on our channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting, providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field and pass the Huawei exam. I am really excited to share this information with you and help you to take your networking skills to the next level. And in this course we will use eNSP software. In episode 12 we will focus on how to do safety configuration changes. When you change some parameters, you can make mistake and break connection to device. But to avoid this stress, you can use scheduler reboot delay command, where you can say that after some amount of minutes, device to reboot. In case of error and you break your remote connection, device will reboot after that time and turn back your original configuration. In case everything is fine, just you can undo command and save your new configuration. So here you can see example how to do and undo command. Let's put one Huawei switch here and start it. Okay, let's wait a little bit the switch to run and to boot. Okay, let's go to the command line mode and wait the device to finish boot process. Let's make this window bigger. Okay. Okay, so device is up and let's do the next. Okay, so imagine we want to do some configuration remotely. We are not sure, so it's kind of dangerous configuration. In this case will be some easy one just to demonstrate, but in the case it's dangerous, you can cut your remote connections. Better do this. So in the regular user mode, we will do command scheduler reboot delay, and now you can see you can delay total minutes or hours minutes format, and maximum value is this 720 hours. Okay, let's do just only 1 minute. It will say, are you sure? Okay, so here you can see first the Huawei device will ask about to save your configuration. You can say yes or no, whatever. We didn't change anything, and reboot in 1 minute. Yes. Now let's go to the system view mode and change just the name of the device. So sysname, and we will put test. Okay, you can see now the test. So let's wait a little bit. Device will now reboot. Device will be soon reboot, and when reboot is finished, we should see Huawei again. Okay, so device is now booting up again. Let's wait to finish. And here it is. Okay, and you can see again is the Huawei. Okay, so let's now do the same, but in this case we will cancel the rebooting because we did everything right. So okay, let's do it again. Let's go to scheduler reboot delay, and let's say for example 2 minutes. Say yes, You can notice only first time the device will ask you about the save configuration, now not. And now we will do the system view. Alright, change the sysname to test, for example, whatever. And let's say it's fine for us. Let's quit, sorry. And now we will do undo command, undo scheduler reboot, and this will prevent device to reboot. And now we can do save command. Okay, so always ensure you save your configuration after making changes to avoid losing them after reboot. And thank you for watching this video on our Huawei Network Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.